Lego Prophet here, showing what repair work we could get done on the Millennium Falcon. I'm still missing a piece there. Got a few extra pieces left. Don't quite know where they go yet, but we'll find out. We're trying to get it ready for the upcoming Star Wars adventure. We're building a battle scene and trying to get pretty well much everything done. As you can see right here, this is the piece I'm missing. I've got the part right there. It's the other angle piece I'm missing to complete that section there. And then I've got these little extra pieces right there that supposedly goes on there, but I don't know quite where it goes yet. But all in all, turned out pretty good. We've gotten quite a bit of the battle damage repaired. It took a while, but we got it done, and it's looking really good. Can't wait to start building the battle scene. Okay, well, hang on, and thanks for watching.